Hello everybody, well, time for some high pressure sodium light action. Been a while since I've had these out, so I thought we'd get them out again. You might remember in earlier videos I showed you metal halide, mercury vapor. Now we're going to take a look at the high pressure sodium lights, which is another high intensity discharge lamp source. Okay, so we've got two here. We've got a 400 watt low bay or Menelys Supremo, and then we've got the 250 watt OptiSpan. Okay, now high pressure sodium's been around for a very long time. Okay, and it basically is what killed off the old fluorescent street lights and the old low pressure sodium, I think. Okay, so high pressure sodium's been used in street lighting around the world for many years. Okay, and now it's old technology. It's slowly being replaced with LED. Okay, but high pressure sodium is good as a collector's item. Okay, and I do collect it. Okay, it's fun to play with, so we're going to fire it up and have some fun with it. Okay. So we got 400 watt and we got 250 watts, so 650 watts in total. Okay, so we have the OptiSpan, which is the street light, okay, on the floor there, and we have Menelys Supremo, which is the 400 watt low bay. Okay, and with that OptiSpan, it will also run metal halide as well. Okay, it's just got a high pressure sodium bulb in it. Okay, and I did put a dummy cell on it so it won't cut out. So I guess we will turn these on. Okay, now both of these do have starters and capacitors because high pressure sodium lamps do require that. Well, let's see if these things will work. Here we go. And I guess that's a yes. Okay, now high pressure sodium lights put out an orange colour. Okay, now when you first turn them on, they put out a white colour, but as they warm up, they start to turn orange. I can see that the 400 watts turning orange right now, as you can see. The street light is still warming up. Okay, it will turn orange as it gets warm. Okay, now both of these I have phosphor coated bulbs in. Okay, I prefer the phosphor coated ones because I think they look nice over clear ones. I do have some clear ones. I actually got a clear one with the street light. Okay, that I have in my collection. Okay, I like these phosphor coated ones though. Okay. Okay, you can actually hear them humming. That's just the bells. Once they get to full brightness, they'll stop humming. Okay, now high pressure sodium is also used for in animal enclosures, you know, like reptiles like snakes, lizards, and crocodiles and stuff at the zoo. You might see that. Okay, so probably may even be used in greenhouses, probably. Okay, now you got to be really careful because, like any other high intensity discharge light, these things get really hot during operation and they can burn your hand real bad. Okay, and I think you can probably feel the heat from them. Okay, they're also but they are good for lighting though. They do the job. They put off an orange color. Okay, but they also get very hot. Okay, the color is orange. It's not yellow, it's orange. Okay, okay, they're getting bright. Also, when you turn them off, the arc tubes glow for a bit and then they dim down. Okay, they're slowly getting to full brightness. Okay, and also getting very hot. Okay, but high pressure sodium is just a fun light. Okay, I tell you that, it's just fun to play with, but it gets really hot. Okay, now with the OptiSpan, I've actually got an instant restrike globe in there. Instant restrike globes have two arc tubes, okay, but only one works at a time. The purpose of it is for in case for some reason if it cuts out or if there's a power surge, the other arc tube will take over. Because you do need to wait for these to cool before they can actually start again. Okay. Okay, they're getting bright and also getting very hot. Okay. But they are doing a good job at lighting up the room, that's for sure. So 650 watts of high pressure sodium. Okay. Now the LED variants of these are a lot lower wattage. Okay. So the LED replacements for a 250 watt I think are 155 watt LED, and then you have the 400, which I think is replaced by I think it's a 275 watt LED. Okay, so the LEDs are a lot brighter and they don't get as hot, and also don't use up as much power. Okay, I think these are at full brightness now. We'll take a look up at the ceiling. You can see they're putting off a good amount of light. So like I said, it's orange. It's an orange colour. It's not white. Okay, well, if you stare at it for a while, it might make it look white, but it's not. It's actually orange. All high pressure sodium lights are orange. Okay, so there they are. They're probably at full brightness now, and they are very hot. I don't want to be touching these because I'll burn my hand on them. Okay, so they're beautiful lights, I tell you. High pressure sodium, it's just a nice lamp source. It's a shame it killed off the old fluorescent street lights. And low pressure sodium. Low pressure sodium's similar, except it's different. It puts off like a reddish colour, as where high pressure sodium's just orange. Okay, I would like a low pressure sodium light, but I don't have one. But anyhow, I think that's at full brightness now, and it's putting off a good amount of light. It's very bright, and also getting very hot. So now we're going to turn these off, and we'll watch the globes dim down. Here we go. You can see them dimming down very slowly. And I can actually feel the heat coming from them too, because they, like I said, they do get very hot. Okay, I think they're dimming down, and they're fully dimmed. Once they fully dim down, that's it. Okay, so that is some nice high pressure sodium lights. I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.